In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the printing quality of a Microsoft Word document. Whether you're looking to save on ink or create a high-quality print for a professional presentation, knowing how to tweak these settings can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening your Microsoft Word file. This might sound straightforward, but it's the foundational step before you can make any adjustments. Open the document you plan to print, ensuring everything looks exactly as you want, since any changes made here will reflect in your printout. Now that your document is ready, the next step involves accessing the print settings. Go to the File tab located at the top left corner of your Word window. Clicking File brings you to a new screen with a variety of options. From this menu, select the Print option. This will take you to the printing interface, giving you a preview of how the document will look when printed, as well as options to modify print settings. Once you are in the print menu, you'll see a button labeled Printer Properties. Click on this to access more detailed settings that control how your printer will handle the document. At this point, it's crucial to know what kind of output you're aiming for. Are you printing a draft copy or perhaps a document that requires the highest print quality? Understanding your needs will help you decide on the next step. In the Printer Properties window, look for the option labeled Quality. This setting determines how fine and detailed the print will be. If you're printing something where quality is of the essence, choose a higher quality setting. Conversely, if you're simply printing for personal review, a lower quality setting can conserve ink and speed up the printing process. Take a moment to adjust this according to your needs. Keep in mind that higher quality prints may take a bit longer and use more resources, so choose wisely based on your specific requirements. After you've made your selection, everything should be set. Simply exit out of the Printer Properties window, ensuring any changes you've made are saved. Now you're all set to print your document. Return to the main print screen and hit the Print button. Your document will now print with the quality settings you've selected. And that's it, you're done. Adjusting the print quality on a document is a quick and easy process that can be tailored to whatever your current needs may be. Whether you're saving on resources or ensuring the best presentation, you now have the tools to make the most of every printed page. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.